How to solve problems without algebra, part 2. Here's Andy and Bob again, living 300 kilometers apart, and this time it'll take them 4 hours to meet each other somewhere halfway, and we're trying to work out the speed of both their cars. As usual, Bob is covering more distance than Andy in 4 hours, so Bob is driving much faster, and all we know is that his speed is 2 times of Andy's speed. Now, since Bob is going at double the speed, whatever Andy's distance is, Bob is going to cover 2 times of that. So if you split the total distance of 300 kilometers into multiple parts, one could say that Andy is covering 1 part of that, while Bob covers 2 parts of that. Since 3 parts cover 300 kilometers in total, dividing that by 3 gives you 1 part, which is 100 kilometers. And that is the distance Andy covers in 4 hours. So Andy's speed is 100 kilometers divided by 4 hours, giving us 25 kilometers per hour. And we know Bob's speed is double of Andy's, so take 25, substitute it into A times 2, and B equals to 25 times 2, which is 50 kilometers per hour. In the previous video, when one car's speed had something extra added to it, we would consider the sum total of everything. But in this video, when one of the car's speeds is a multiple of the other, we consider the ratio of everything and add up the sum total of its parts. Now let's see what this looks like in a geometrical example. Here is a rectangle with unknown dimensions of base and height, but we are given that the perimeter is 60 meters and the base needs to be 2 times of the height. Since the base is double of the height, we can represent the top and bottom of this rectangle using 2 h's for both of them, while the sides remain unchanged. We can see now that our perimeter of 60 meters can be made up by 6 parts of h. So take 60 divided by 6, and this gives us 10, which means our height is 10 meters. So just plug this into the formula of h times 2 to find b, and b equals to 10 times 2, which equals 20 meters. So to wrap things up, the intuitive approach can be much quicker than algebra, but it requires an understanding of ratios if the unknowns you're trying to find involve multiples of each other, and just like in the previous video, if the unknowns you're trying to find are additions or subtractions of each other, then it requires an understanding of sum totals. And hey, if you found this helpful, let me know down in the comments below and hit that like button. If you want to follow along and see more videos like this in the future, then hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one, and goodbye for now.